Hello and welcome to today's daily Leetcode challenge. Today we'll be solving question 1464, maximum product of two elements in an array. This is an easy level question, and it sounds to me like it's a variation of a question that we probably have definitely solved, which is just finding the maximum product in an array. So, given an array of integers nums, you will choose two different indices I and j of the array. Return the maximum value of, and here's the modification. Instead of just returning the product of the numbers at I and at j, you will actually be returning a modified version of that product, which is the second largest, or the largest value minus 1, and then the second largest value minus 1. And so in the example we're given here, an array of 3, 4, 5, and 2, we can see that the maximum two numbers here are 4 and 5. However, 3 times 4, which is the largest and the second largest values minus 1, is going to be 12. Same goes for here. This is just going to be 4 times 4 because 5 and 5 are the second and the first largest numbers. And here it's just going to be 2 times 6, which is 12. Cool. Well, I mean, there's not much of an explanation here. We have two solutions here. We can either go iteratively through all the combinations of the different products and update the max val, or we can pre-sort the array and just choose the last two values from that array, knowing and being guaranteed that they're going to be the first and the second largest. Let's go with that first and see if there are any faster solutions after that. And this is simply going to be minus 1 times nums minus 2 minus 1. This is an extremely fast thing to write up. I don't think it's very complicated, and we're beating a good amount of people, but not by far the best. And let's see if there are any faster solutions. Well, there's people using the heap. There's my solution. But in general, I would say that no, there are no faster solutions. They all seem to be doing this thing where there's a sorted list and then returning the largest and the second largest value. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with this. This is by far the easiest to read and to understand. So on that note, thank you for watching. I'll see you later. Please like and subscribe. Bye.